Hello, and welcome back to my basement meditation and yoga studio. So today I'm going to lead another very short mindfulness-based meditation, a chance for you to take a little bit of time for yourself, to check in with yourself, to check in with your breath. So start by finding a comfortable seat. I'm seated on a chair. You can be seated on a floor. You can be lying down as long as you're in a position that allows you to remain alert and attentive. Mindfulness meditation is about paying attention. As you find your comfortable place, start to tune into your breath. So that means simply noticing, becoming aware of your breath, noticing where you feel your breath in your body. Pay attention to the breath wherever it is easiest for you. So maybe you feel the breath tickling your nose. Perhaps you have a sense of the breath in the throat, in the belly, rising the chest or the rib cage. And if you'd like, you can put one or two hands there, maybe resting your hands in the area of your diaphragm, your belly button. Perhaps one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest, your heart. Ground yourself in your body. Feel your body move with breath. In this mindful practice, we'll cultivate the idea of being kind to ourselves as we focus on the breath. So notice your next breath, noticing the full breath in, full complete exhale out. And then briefly scan your body and notice what else is going on. Probably thoughts, physical sensations, all the other things that are grabbing for your attention. That's totally normal. Maybe your stomach's rumbling. So just like our stomach rumbles and produces stomach juices, so do our thoughts wander. Our brain produces thoughts. That's the brain's job, and that is okay. There's a saying in mindfulness meditation, be kind to your wandering mind. You notice your mind wanders, whether it's to thoughts or those stomach rumblings. Be kind to yourself. Acknowledge the normalcy of that. You're doing what you do, what we all do. And then gently draw your attention back to your breath. Again and again. It's okay, it's normal, it's natural to do that again and again and again, especially during such a difficult time like now. You might want to think about a person who loves and supports you, cares about you. How could they guide you through this practice? If you did something that you perceived as messing up or getting it wrong, someone who loves and cares about you, who's close to you, your mom, a spouse, a close friend, a supportive coworker, what would they say? Maybe something like, it's okay. You can do this. You can try again. You're doing your best. See if you can take in some of those messages that someone who loved you might share. Use those loving messages to show kindness toward yourself. Even if you have sadness or anger or other difficult, painful emotions toward yourself, you can still be kind to yourself. Remind yourself that you are, in fact, doing the best that you can with what you have right now. like everyone else in the world, you have a desire to be happy, to be peaceful, to be at ease. In these last few moments, these last few breaths, turn your attention back to your breath again if it's wandered away. See if you can follow just one more breath, staying with the breath from the very start of your inhale, observing or viewing the flow of the breath through the body, staying with that breath till the end of your exhale. And then thank yourself for doing this practice today. And I hope you'll join me again soon.